What is going on, finance media community? We got another video today, and we're bringing you what SEO stands for and the beginner guide to search engine optimization, which is what SEO actually stands for. So here we got BitDegree, and this is an online education platform offering free and paid courses. This course is free, so that's why I'm showing you guys it today. I'm super excited to. Normally costs 174 bucks, like you can see, but if you guys get it now, it is offered free. So the course is rated 4.4 stars, and over 5,957 students are enrolled in it as of right now. So the course details, there's 10 lessons throughout the course. It's a beginner level, and you get a certificate available after completing. So what will you guys learn in this course? How SEO works, how to successfully use SEO on your websites, and other cool tips and tricks about SEOs. So we'll give you guys a little description about what the course offers. So if you're searching for an answer to the question, what does SEO stand for? You came to the right place. First and foremost, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now, you probably wonder, what does that mean? And do you need it? To put it simply, if you're trying to sell your services or online or goods online, or if you want to promote your content, you really do need to know what SEO stands for. So some requirements. You should be open to learning new strategies and making new way of getting traffic to your websites. You need to be willing to make a change in the way you write your content, which will increase traffic and increase your revenue. So let's talk about the instructor. We got Alun Hill. He's an international business journalist. He has over 139,000 students. He's a massive audience. This is really good. He has taught almost 100,000 people worldwide how to make extra money quickly and easily, which what you guys are here to do and why you're watching the video. You guys want to make some extra money. You can follow his lectures and writing and see the quick and simple ways to improve your business. He spent over 40 years running businesses while also interviewing and working with some of the most famous people in the business world. So this guy definitely knows what he's talking about and will get you the information you need. Let's see some reviews on the site. Grown so much, but keep growing by Uzar. Right on, buddy. No complaints, BitDegree is the best. A true pleasure being a teacher here. Very appealing features, and you guys can check these reviews for yourself. They just go on and on, all 5 stars. That's why I'm recommending it to you. So if you're seeing this video, we're recording this in April 2019. It's free right now. It might not be free, so hopefully you guys, the early birds, get the free one. But other than that, link will be in the description. There's also another link and to sign up for free courses. BitDegree offers a big variety of paid and free online courses, so you guys can definitely check that out with the link. Other than that, finance media, over and out. Have a good weekend. Peace out.